Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Hi YouTubers, it's George. Still working on the cooker hood extraction system. This is the shower cubicle fan extractor here, and this is the pipe going up from the kitchen, which has got to go through the wall there, and you see I'm through the first layer of brick, and I'm going through the cavity and then through the outer brick. I can't drill it from the outside because my ladder is not big enough, and with the weight of this drill I can't handle it up a ladder. If it stalled or jammed, I'd be off the ladder. And, let me kneel down. Okay, and then I'll drag this back so you can see the cutter. Oh, I can't even do that single-handed. Let me put the camera down. Okay, so there's the cutter there. Bricks have come out so far, and I'm going to carry on. I can't show you me drilling because I can't hold the camera and the drill at the same time, and I can't prop it up easy, but it's damned hard work, I tell you. Right, we have a vent to the outside world now, and here's the pipe here. Sorry, it's not very good light. And I've got to clean up this mess, put the insulation back down, and then connect the pipe on. Bit of cement work outside, bit of tidying up in here, and to make sure I've got my tools, and yeah, hopefully that will do the job. While the pipe's in, just got to get the insulation back, and there might be a bit of tidying up. Here's the cooker hood with the LED light and the pipe. And outside there's the vent. It's not got screwed to the wall yet. You can see I've got to put some cement in that side where the bricks split, but that's not a big deal. You see, it needs just to be turned like that. I've got to do that. That's the one for the shower. You can see it's opening really nicely. I think that's as much as I'm going to do with this video. I think you're about fed up with it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.